Hi there, and welcome to the Get Started Online Elegant Themes review. My name's Terry Robb, and in this short video I'm going to review Elegant Themes as a WordPress theme and also plugin provider. And I'm going to primarily focus on the Divi theme, which is Elegant Themes' flagship theme. Now, I personally use the Divi theme and Elegant Themes plugins. I use them for Get Started Online. And I made Elegant Themes one of only a handful of Get Started Online partners because I really do think they're that good. And this means that if you find this review helpful and want to say thanks, it'd be really amazing if you click through my Elegant Themes link below this video. That'll mean I get a small commission if you then join Elegant Themes, and you'll get access to what I genuinely believe are the best themes around at no extra cost to you. So anyway, let's get started. So Elegant Themes operates on an annual membership basis. So this means that once you're a member, you get access to all of their themes, and there are currently 87 of them. Now this includes at the entry-level personal package for $69, you get all those themes, which is pretty unique. If you pay a little bit extra per year for the developer package at $89, this is US dollars, you get access to all of their plugins. So the plugins are pieces of software that add functionality to your WordPress sites. So this is a pretty amazing deal, given this includes Bloom, which is one of the best email marketing tools around, and also the popular Monarch social media sharing plugin. As I mentioned, the Divi theme is by far the most popular Elegant Themes WordPress theme, so let's have a look at that in more detail. So here you can see an example that Elegant Themes has provided for Divi. Looks pretty amazing, I have to say. What I'd like to do though, I'd like to give you a look at what this looks like in the real world once regular people start using Divi. So if you come to this video through my Get Started Online site, then you've seen a real life version of Divi in action. I actually built Get Started Online myself using Divi, and I don't know how to code it all. And I love the way the site looks, and it was so easy to build once I got started, which is one of the reasons why I'm such an advocate for this theme. Let's now look at some other sites from around the web that are also using Divi. Now these are sites that I have stumbled across, hadn't seen previously. The sites that more or less appear to be using Divi without any great level of customization or additional coding or programming. So what that means is you should be able to more or less replicate something like this with some time and effort, of course, even if you've got no web design or coding experience. So let's look at 3 examples. So this example we've got on the screen here, it's a travel blog called Ashley Abroad. Let's scroll down and have a look. It's a blog style site that looks quite clean. Now have a look. Well, let's have a look at another page here. One of the great features about Divi is that it's fully mobile responsive. So what that means is it'll adjust to the screen of whatever device you're looking at the website on. So for example, if you're looking on a mobile phone, we adjust our page here, the size, we'll actually see what it looks like on a mobile phone screen. So this is really important, especially with the recent Google update, some have called Mobilegeddon, where Google's penalizing any sites that aren't mobile responsive. So that's a really useful feature there of Divi. Here's another site I really like the look of visually. This is an architecture focused site. You see great use of the Divi slider module at the top here. Let's scroll through there. There's a blog module inserted into the page there. Here they've used a portfolio style module, which looks really effective. What they've also integrated with this site is an online store. So with Divi, there's a range of different WordPress plugins you can integrate to create a great looking online store. So yeah, here's just one example. So we can add that item to our cart, change our quantities, etc. All the sorts of things that you want to be able to do with an online store. Let's have a look at another site here just quickly. So this is a photography related site. Again, really effective use of the Divi slider module here. And one thing I'd like to show you here is the what's called the parallax effect, which is a really great feature of Divi as a WordPress theme. So what you can do is you can set up your slider. So as you scroll down the screen, your images stay fixed, as we see there, but your page and your text moves, which is really nice effect. Here you'll see they've also got a portfolio style module. Interesting effect here too with the video background, which you can also add in Divi. Okay, so I just want to quickly look at one last example site. This is a site for an independent publishing company in Canada. What I'd really like to highlight on this site, watch as I go down the screen, how there's images that are animated that just load in once you scroll down. So that's another great feature of Divi, the animated images effect. You can get those images to load in from a number of different ways. That can also help with your page load speed, and it looks really good. But yeah, generally they've made really good use of images on this site. One other thing I want to point out here is just down the left-hand side here, you can see the Monarch social media sharing plugin there in action, which is again part of the Elegant Themes offering. That's nice and neat down the side of the page there. Stands out, continues with you as you scroll down, but certainly not obtrusive. So that just gives you a sense of what that looks like in action, and hopefully across these 4 example sites, I know I've just had a quick look, but hopefully that gives you a sense of the huge amount of flexibility you do have with Divi. As you'll see, all these sites look quite different, but personally I think they all look quite effective. All right, so let's go behind the scenes now and have a look at what does this actually all look like in practice when you're going to build a website or build a page within a site with Divi. How does that actually all work? So the good news is Divi is very easy to use because of the drag and drop page builder feature, which means you can literally add and move different modules around a page and then populate them with your content. So you can do this using a pre-populated template layout and just fill in your content there. Let's have a look at how that might look as an example. Let's go to an extended homepage here. So this has a range of different modules there that you can then populate with your own content. For example, here, if you click into a slider, you could go in and change the text there, change the images that are in that. There's the image that's in there now. Just to give you a sense of what that actually looks like on a page. I'm just pretending I'm creating a new Get Started Online page here. Just have a quick scroll down there. So yeah, once you add in some pictures, change some colors, add your text, that can look quite good. The other way you can do it is you can we'll clear the layout there, is you can just literally go through and build your own structure. And so there's a lot of flexibility in that. Will take a little bit more creative thinking from your perspective, but that can be a good thing. I quite enjoy that process myself. So let's just give you a quick look at how that can work. So here we can insert in this particular section, we can say we want 3 different columns. Now these modules here is where you insert a different element, I suppose, of what might be involved in that page. So it could be an image, could be some text, could be a video slider, a subscribe function, could be a map, could be a counter, a shop. There's a range of different things you can do on there. So let's just add an image here. There we could upload a sample image, put our text in there. We could then, if we wanted to, just create another one the same, copy that down. We can add another section. Again, choose how many columns we want to have, what modules we want to go in there. Maybe it's a slider. We can also add a full width section here. So there you could choose to put in a full width map or a slider that goes all the way across the page, or a header that goes all the way across the page, for example. And you can literally just keep going in and adding all of these different sections, choosing the number of columns you want, and then inserting the module you want within that, and then populating with your content. So what you can even do is I mentioned drag and drop builder. You can literally just drag the different sections around, put them where you want, drag this image down here, drag that image up there. Yeah, it's just really quite amazing, the flexibility this tool gives you. So that's just a little bit of a look behind the scenes with the Divi drag and drop page builder. I'd just like to show you quickly the Bloom email opt-in plugin in action, which you can see a subscription bar there at the bottom of the screen. Let me just put in an email there. And there you go. Tells me I'm subscribed, which is good. So yeah, I think this is a really great feature of Elegant Themes. Here behind the scenes, you can see all the different types of opt-in boxes that you can choose. So you could use a pop-up that pops up on your screen. You can set when and how that happens. A little fly-in that comes in from the bottom right-hand corner. below the post opt-in, something in the middle of a post or a page. You can also use it to lock content, so people can only access certain content once they've signed up to be a subscriber. It can also be a widget placed in a number of different locations on your page. To just give you a sense of what the different templates are like, because there are a great deal of templates which you can go through and customize. Here just gives you a sense of the different templates that are available to you. I have to say they do look a little bit cartoonish when you look at them here, but as you would have seen just on this example here, on Get Started Online, when you actually start using them and customizing them, they actually come up really well. So that's just a little bit of an overview there of Bloom for you. So in short, Elegant Themes is a great company that provides great looking, easy to use themes, which are also search engine optimized and secure. They're fast loading. They also offer some really useful plugins for the one affordable price. And I'm personally thrilled that I chose Divi for Get Started Online, and I've never looked back, which is why I feel really good about recommending Elegant Themes to you, and the Divi theme in particular. So thank you so much for watching this video review. Just a quick reminder that if you did find this video helpful, it would be amazing if you clicked my Elegant Themes partner link below this video. And if you make a purchase, that'll help me be able to make more videos like this to help people just like you. So thanks again for your time, and all the best for your new website.